Hello. Today I have this call for no heat. And one tip: unit is calling for heat right now. We're not gonna do anything. We're just gonna check the flashes on this one and see, what we can read out of the manufacturer's instructions. So I'm counting six. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now here it's gonna tell me pressure pressure switch fault. 6 flashes. It's telling me the pressure switch fault. So that's this guy right here. So now in the past I have had this kind of same code, and it's not this guy. It turned out to be the inducer fan motor that breaks internally. So this might be the case. I just have to get my tools and take things apart and troubleshoot and see if I can do that. But one tip: always check the flashes or any error code before turning power off to the unit, so this way you kind of like narrow your troubleshooting. Okay, thank you.